Alright, today we are going to possibly the nicest and best car meet of all of 2025. It's currently almost 8:15 a.m. and the meet is from 8 to 10. So the meet's not that long. It is currently sprinkling, which is a little unexpected, but it is California. So I hope that everything is still on and it's all good because it's 30 minutes away. And of course, I'm going to be taking the S4 there.
Yeah, it's just cool. I didn't expect to see an RWB.
Yeah, that's good.
Storado. The black looks so tough. Holy. What's the 63 stand for?
I think it's just the Nico.
Little Porsche lineup here. GT3, GT3. Ooh, GT3. All right, hold up. The wing difference between that and this. Spec looks so clean.
It's like a 3-inch ground clearance.
Oh, the fake exhaust. We got a fake exhaust here with the electric charger. You could hear it. He's changing him. We got gold and black wheeled Urus. Little carbon fiber diffuser.
I wonder what kit this is.
Rift.
I'm guessing it's a Rift kit.
Yeah, it's a Rift kit, I guess. 4.0. That's so clean. I have no idea what this setup even is. Hold on, this lip is crazy though. No clearance. That exhaust is insane. Whatever this is. Little gap cam. He's definitely on quiet. That's wet. Got the S3 and the AutoZone final boss. Sheesh. Not golf. 6x6, by the way. Sheesh.
That's for best vlog. LS3, but
There is an S4 here. I have no idea what gen this is.
this is a 03.
B7.
Put that huge exhaust.
Fit half of my head, maybe my whole head. Polished undercarriage. It's kind of crazy. This thing's like 8 feet in the air. How was the meet?
It was good.
It was good. Okay. Little Ferrari. I wonder how many miles this thing got on it. Ooh. Red interior too. That's dope. Decided to get some breakfast and hid in the aquarium. Beautiful. Somehow got roped into going to Nordstrom Rack instead of the aquarium first. I don't know why. I don't know how. This is a gym bro when he skips the leg day. Holy.
What is that? A striper?
This boy is fat.
It looks big. 200 pounds.
These things will flip out on you, bro.
Really?
Yeah, they snap. They go up and then just.
I feel like this is way too small. Way too small for him. He's so big. There's no way this is the proper size for this massive fish.
Oh, you snatched. And you're not going to. Aha, see? Right there.
The Minecraft creature.
Look.
Uh-huh.
Just touch it. Yeah. Oh my god. They're one of the most poisonous creatures.
I would hold that, dude.
I'm sure you would.
You can maybe crack the glass.
Yeah.
Really?
They-
Oh, it's
you
the
know,
kicker ones?
They're the ones that like break the sound.
They break the sound barrier.
Oh my god.
What's up, my boy? They found each other.
But now they're stuck in a box.
That's a big boy. What's up, bro?
Wait, I'm scared.
It's like a little fan. That's
This is not 30-mile-an-hour wind. For dramatic effect.
I guess they were
Flashing
flying
light.
a tornado.
So insane. That's a big boy.
That's a short.
That's a big boy.
Ooh, try fall. Fall. So
It's actually the Mannery right there.
Look up.
What's up, bro?
Look how big that fish is.
Carrie,
You see that?
Oh yeah, that's a Mannery.
Mannery.
to your left.
Bro wants food.
Dude, does anyone have food?
Pretty fire. Pretty fire. Alright, that's it for the meet and the day, I think. Everyone's tired and is going to sleep because we got up early for the meet. Honestly, wasn't as many hypercars as I was expecting. I think it was because of the rain. The hypercars got scared to come out. But it was still pretty cool. Saw the Senna, saw some Lambos, saw some nice modded cars. I think it was pretty fun. Had some fun afterwards at least. Made the best of it. So that's possibly it for the day, fun-wise and vlog-wise. So there you have it.